So let's study heart auscultation sites. First is aortic area. It is auscultated at the right side of the sternum at second intercostal space. Next is pulmonic area. It is auscultated at the left of the sternum at second intercostal space. Next is Erb's point. It is auscultated left of the sternum at the third intercostal space. Next is tricuspid area. It is auscultated at the left of the sternum at fourth intercostal space. And mitral area is auscultated at the left side of the sternum at fifth intercostal space on mid-clavicular line.